Many measurements look to identify abnormalities in a process. The value added ratio, however, looks to reveal how much of your total production lead time is spent on adding value in a process. In other words, value added ratio measures the amount of time a customer is willing to pay for and that transformation occurs within a process. Everything else is non-value added time. Let's look at an example. Let's say the picture you see here has a total production lead time of 20 minutes. In that 20 minutes, it is determined that 5 minutes of the total production lead time is value added. To get our value added time, we would divide 5 by 20 and get 0.25 or 25% of our process is value adding time. And that number needs to go up. And that's it, the value added ratio. Remember, this is a very basic example of a value added ratio to get you familiar with this ratio. Like any other metric, the value added ratio can get much more complex, and we'll look at that in future videos. We'll see you in the next module.